I bang with the gangster.
All right. We just got that bike.
Oh,
First time he said it hasn't rained in a
you want to put those? So what do you want to do with those?
Put them on this one.
Yeah, what do you call that right there? Is that your chopper?
Yeah.
Custom? It's pretty sweet, man. That's gonna make that bike look amazing.
My dad has a pair on his bike.
Yeah, I mean, all the all the cool guys got.
With the gangster.
That's about where you need it right
So I wanted to take this off.
there. Yeah, I would take it off too. That's pretty tight. I like the forks. I extend out like that. Just think, one of these days, maybe you'll have one that has a motor in it. The moment of truth. Nice, clean carburetor being reinstalled on a bike that hasn't ran in 2 years. And who knows, maybe it'll run today.
What kind of TV shows do we usually watch?
What? Huh? What shows do you watch? Guess what I saw the other night and filmed it?
You did film it. I seen the film.
A friggin' UFO.
I bang with the gangster.
Kid you not. Uh-oh. Back shot out the car. It's quite a jolt of air.
Gangster.
Take that. And spray you.
How many you want?
4 or 5.
Back. Go ahead, Paige.
Watch your ears.
What?
Yeah. Come on.
You want to the camera?
Good shit out of me, boy. You gotta flick your things, or did they pop on that last?
Go ahead.
Cover some. Come on, baby. Oh, there it is. It's getting in there.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Hit it.
Did not get in there. Jet's killing it too much.
I saw a little bit of flames.
Probably just this.
I saw a little bit of
It's on
flames.
the wrong side though.
Oh,
See
no.
the flames, buddy?
Yeah.
Me too.
Well, it's coming out the pipe. well, I mean, that's okay, dude. Come on, baby.
I choked it.
You need to, oh, yeah. You need to flip those cars.
Actually, they didn't pop back in.
Yeah, dude. Yeah! Woo! Oh, look, it knocked a couple bolts off. That's just that holding that horn on. Well, there you have it, folks. The beast has a war.
And always got the motherfucking gangster. I keep it gangster.